Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is busy rolling out an update for the Windows Photos app to Windows insiders in the Canary and the Dev Channels as well. So the Canary and the Dev Channels got quite a few little improvements to apps, being the snipping tool, phone link, and now the Photos app gets its fair share of new enhancements, which include a new background blur, search, motion photo support, and some other tweaks and adjustments. Now, first of all, the key highlight, background blur, which Microsoft says to make the subject of your photo stand out. You open up the photo in edit mode, and then you select the new background blur option. So here we can see in edit mode at the top, background blur. And the Photos app automatically finds the background in the photo, highlights the subject, and then blurs out the background, as we can see from the image provided. And you can also customize the effect by adjusting the blur intensity here to the right hand side in the right hand menu, or use the brush tool to modify the areas being blurred. So I think background blur, a nice move that is now being tested in the Canary and the Dev Channels. Moving on to the next, and this is to do with OneDrive. So for photos stored in OneDrive, that's if you are using a home or personal account, you can now quickly find the photo you're looking for based on the content of the photo. So in the search bar at the top, as we can see, you just enter what you're looking for. So as an example, Microsoft gives 4 examples: car, beach, birthday, vacation, and in this example, you're in the image sky. So content search for OneDrive-backed photos. I think that's also a nice improvement if you are using OneDrive home or personal accounts. Then moving on to the next, and this is to do with Samsung and Google motion photo support. So you can now view the video portion of motion photos captured on Samsung and Google devices. And just to mention this next one quickly, you can also now find photos based on the location they were taken. This feature is available to all photos in your collection, including those stored in file systems, OneDrive, and iCloud. So a couple of nice enhancements and new improvements rolling out to the Photos app. And over and above that, there's also touch support for slideshow, which is also now available. So the Canary and the Dev Channel insiders, as mentioned, getting some nice improvements for the Photos app, which hopefully we will see roll out in up and coming stable releases. And the big one with these improvements is that new background blur, which I think is a nice move. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.